If you are using, for example, numbers, I have 3 cars.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is a very good question. So the number 3 in Finnish is kolme. It's Kolme, kolme. To have this mode to create the 3 cars, you're going to use the singular uncertain state always with numbers, except 1. Except with number 1. With every other number, you're going to use uncertain state. So you will say 3 car uncertain state singular. How is 3 cars?
Minulla on 3 autoa.
And what you need the uncertain state singular?
Okay, autoja.
Singular.
Autoa.
Auto. How is I have 3 cars?
Minulla on 3 autoa.
Auto. For some reason, Finnish wanted to use the singular uncertain state. Probably because it's probably easier to think about singular mode than thinking, oh, do I have the J or I there or what? It's just the singular form and we are adding the word 3. But we have one exception, and it is indeed 1. If we say 1 car, we will not have any endings there because it's the certain state. But if we have, I have 3 cars, 5 cars, in this case you will have the number 5 or whatever it is, and then in the word car in the singular uncertain state. But 1 car with the word 1, you will not have any ending, just if you would have just the word car. 1 is yksi, Y-K-S-I. How would you say I have 1 car?
Minulla on 1 auto.
Yes, and I have 3 cars.
Minulla on 3 auto. Autoa.
Autoa, but then you are clarifying. But for some reason it's not autoja. Minulla on 3 autoja, but 3 autoa. But you can think about it as the singular uncertain state, and then that we are clarifying by putting the number there. How is they don't have 3 cars? First, they don't have.
Heille ei ole.
Heillä ei ole. And now, if you want to say 3 cars, you will need to have uncertain state in the word 3 and in the word car. Because they are connected together, they need the same ending. So how would it be 3 uncertain state?
3
3. And car, auto, uncertain state?
autoja.
Uncertain state singular.
Autoa.
Auto. So how would you say they don't have 3 cars?
Heillä ei ole 3 autoa.
Heillä ei ole 3 autoa. The number 3 works just like the word, let's say, the word dog, koira. They don't have a dog. Heillä ei ole koiraa. The number 3 works as a singular object or thing, just like the word dog. Heillä ei ole koiraa. They don't have 3. Heillä ei ole 3. And they don't have 3 dogs. Heillä ei ole 3 koiraa. So it's not 3 or koiraja, or so it is 3 koiraa or 3 autoa. Heillä ei ole 3 autoa. And how would you say they have 3 cars?
Heillä on 3 autoa.
3 autoa. For some reason here in positive we don't have any ending on what word?
In the number.
Yes, in the number. But in the negative thing we do have. So here we can see that the auto in positive sense is just kind of linked to the number 3, but in some kind of weird way because they are really not having the same ending. But in negative, they both have the uncertain ending. How would you say good day to you?
Hyvää päivää sinulla.
So you have is sinulla, but the A changed to our favorite vowel.
To E.
Yes, to A, B, C, D, E. So how is good day to you?
Hyvää päivää sinulle.
Hyvää päivää sinulle. Very good. And now we are going to convert over the word table into Finnish, but actually the related word is word board. Board. So if you say like a board of judges or so, it's really kind of meaning like table of judges. So we can convert over the word board. So of course it's written B-O-A-R-D. To convert over this word, we are going to drop the A. How is it then?
Bort.
Bort. In Swedish, this O is pronounced as long U. Bord. And the word very likely joined Finnish through Swedish. What do you think happens to the B at the beginning? Bort.
P.
Yes, it becomes P. And what do you think happens to the D?
T.
Yes. So now R drops out. We have... Wait a minute. We have pot. Yeah, pot. And we had the word school. We have the two O's there creating this oo sound. What did Finnish do?
They replace it with U.
Yes, Finnish took one of both.
Mm-hmm.
One U and one
One
O.
O.
So how would it be now? Not pot, but...
Boat.
Boat. Yes, boat. And now we are going to add another vowel to the end. What? Just guess it. Try different vowels and think what sounds the best.
E, for example, like us.
Say the word. Say the word with the vowels and think about which sounds right.
Pote.
Not right.
Pote. Poutu. Pouta.
So this is right. It's A, but one last thing happens here. Now the word changes the vowel harmony group. So you have to change all the vowels to the other group.
We have 3 vowels.
Yes, O is not O, but O with
Dots.
2 dots. It's sound, and we can find this sound from the English word bird. Bird. And what does the U become? There is no U with 2 dots, but there's something where we have something similar.
Y.
Yes, Y. So you can think about Y as U with a little line, or in other words, 2 dots under it. And what happens to the A?
It becomes A with dots.
Yes, how is the final word?
Pouta.
Pöytä. Very good. Pöytä. And here we can see that we don't have to remember this word if we remember that it was board or board, and then we take it step by step. If we remember what happens to the B, it becomes P, then what happens to D, it becomes T. If we take this step by step, then very likely the memory is going to activate in our head. And then we have pöytä. And we don't probably have to do the whole process again from the beginning, but if we do it step by step, very likely once we have the first batch done, the rest will activate.